Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. It was a busy week for not just K-pop idols but even K-drama stars. A week that left not just BTS and Blackpink but even new boy band Cortis trending. In case you missed out on what all happened in the Korean entertainment industry, we got you sorted. Here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. Big Hit Music's new boy band Cortis dropped its first official music video, Go.
The intro track of their upcoming debut album, Color Outside the Lines, along with their first set of concept photos, were released side by side. The rookie group comprising 5 members, Martin, James, Joohoon, Songhyun and Kyunho, has already created ripples across the K-pop scene. Cortis' launch comes after 6 years of Big Hit Music debuting a brand new boy band. Big Hit Music is the label behind K-pop royalty BTS and Tomorrow X Together, also called TXT. Cortis will release its debut album on August 18.
Blackpink member Lisa and Japanese actor-model Kantaro Sakaguchi are giving fans an intense dose of lost love and nostalgia in their newly released short film, Dream.
Dream is the last track from Lisa's debut solo album Alter Ego. This 5-minute long film depicts a heart-wrenching romance between the two artists that's unrequited yet in its purest form. Lisa and Kantaro play lovers who are distanced due to death. While we are aware about Kantaro's incredible acting prowess, including 2024 K-drama What Comes After Love, it's a treat for Blinks to see Lisa depicting the pain and nostalgia after her acting debut in The White Lotus Season 3 on HBO.
Big Bang member G-Dragon and YG Entertainment's founder Yang Hyun-suk have got embroiled in a serious case of copyright infringement and alleged plagiarism.
The complaint was filed in November 2024 by an unidentified composer who accused YG Entertainment of violating copyright law by reproducing his song without his permission and distributing it within one of the albums of G-Dragon that dates back 15 years. This led to the company facing raids at its Seoul headquarters this week. The Korea Music Copyright Association later stated in its findings that it is difficult to hold G-Dragon responsible for the disputed track. The track was allegedly modified into My Age is 13 and later performed as part of a medley, My Age is 13, Storm, Hip Hop Gentleman, G-Dragon during the rapper's 2010 live album Shine a Light.
Come on Blinks, you can rejoice. Blackpink is expected to make a full group comeback to music later this year.
As per reports, the K-pop band is gearing up to release its mini album this coming November, their first album in 3 years. A music industry insider revealed that Blackpink has already completed their album jacket photo shoot and will now finish recording the new songs apart from other production work in the next 2 months so that the album is ready to launch by November. Blackpink is currently on its Deadline World Tour and as part of it, Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa and Rosé dropped their comeback single Jump last month. Now with the full album, Blinks are in for a treat.
BTS member V has revealed that he cried seeing Jungkook return to stage and perform with J-Hope during Hope on the Stage in June this year.
During a recent interview, Kim Tae-yoon aka V shared that he got teary-eyed seeing J-Hope and Jungkook and even when Hobi gave his last speech during the Seoul concert. While he called it a secret, he said crying left him embarrassed. This was also the first time the entire band made their first public appearance post the military discharge of each member. Along with Jungkook, even Jin accompanied J-Hope on stage. The coming together of BTS as a full group marked its mini reunion, enough to leave armies overwhelmed.
The boys' concert in Seoul as part of its The Blaze World Tour got delayed after a bomb scare on August 10th.
The band's agency made the announcement through a statement. The K-pop group was scheduled to hold the third night of their The Blaze concert at the KSPO Dome, but it got postponed and resumed only after the completion of safety inspection by the police and fire department. Soon after reports came in that there was a bomb scare, the venue was immediately evacuated and the police arrived to undertake search for any kind of explosive device.
Good news for EXO-L. EXO member Suho is set to make his solo comeback this year.
In a news that has left fans excited, EXO leader is eyeing to return in September 2025 with his first solo release in 1 year and 4 months since his third mini album 123, which came out on May 31st, 2024. His return was confirmed by SM Entertainment through a statement. Suho was recently seen making a public appearance while attending Blackpink's Deadline World Tour concert in Seoul. This also comes after Suho had a highly successful debut solo tour titled SU Home, spanning across 10 cities in Asia. His recent TV appearances include Problematic Men Reboot, Math Edition, and Chef of the Antarctic.
Astro member Cha Eun-woo has been selected as the company leader trainee as part of his basic military training.
Cha Eun-woo is already leaving an impression at his military base just 2 weeks after getting enlisted. Recently, a photo of him wearing the uniform surfaced, revealing his rank. The 28-year-old entered the Korea Army Training Center in Nonsan on July 28. After completing basic military training, he will serve in the military band unit of the Korean Army. The position of the company leader trainee is awarded based on a combination of responsibility, physical endurance, and ability to lead commands.
Hak Seo-joon has completed 14 years of debut. He took to his Instagram to take fans on a trip down the memory lane of his acting journey.
Seo-joon took to his Instagram handle and posted a series of never-seen-before images that reflected his journey through 20 shows, including Dream High 2, A Witch's Love, Kill Me, Heal Me, She Was Pretty, Hwarang, Fight for My Way, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Itaewon Class, and Gyeongsang Creature. Apart from a generous donation to a medical center fund aiming to support children battling cancer, Seo-joon ended the day with BTS member Jungkook's song Still With You. Fans were quick to guess it was his expression of gratitude towards his fans through the song.
Upcoming K-drama Dear X will get screened at the Busan International Film Festival 2025 before its official release.
Starring Kim Yoo-jung, Kim Yong-dae, Kim Do-hoon, and Lee Yul-yum, Dear X has been officially invited to the on-screen section of the 30th Busan International Film Festival to be held between September 17 to 26, 2025. Its production team confirmed the news. The on-screen section showcases highly anticipated series set to premiere on OTT platforms. Select episodes of Dear X will be screened for the first time during the festival, marking its early preview before its release in November this year. The show revolves around a renowned actress who suffers a downfall. The romance drama explores the dual sides of her life alongside the man who'd go to any lengths to protect her.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.